Hey guys, welcome to Life Savvy. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So I just wanted to make this quick video on how to build your credit score, especially if you have no credit score or you're trying to rebuild your credit. Now, for me, it was a little different because at this time during the summer, I was taking this course for my major, and at the same time, I was doing research on finances and credit scores and credit. And I needed to build my credit score and I needed a computer. So what I ended up doing was I went to Best Buy and I asked and see if they had any credit cards for the store. One of the guys there helped me out, and I was able to get a $500 limit since I had no credit cards before or credit score. All right, and one more important thing, guys. Something really important, subscribe, hit that like button, comment. I'd greatly appreciate it. It helps with the algorithm. All right, so now let's get back to how to build your credit score. So that's the first thing I asked, how much I was gonna get. Second, I asked and see if they had a monthly or annual fee, which they did have an annual fee. You don't want to pay a monthly fee because they'll just be robbing you out of your money if you're paying monthly.
Give me your fucking money!
Paying monthly, unless it's like a super good credit card. So the second thing to check is, check the interest rate on the card, because you don't want to be paying some crazy ass interest if you don't have any income or you don't have money coming in. For me, I was working at the time and I knew I could pay it off quickly, and what helped me was they gave me a 20% interest, and I know that sounds high, but at the time, they didn't know if I was responsible with the card. I had no history and no credit score, so, and no proven track record of anything. So this was my go-to to build out my credit and slowly build it up. And the thing is, I only used it for 2 purchases and no more than that, and on those 2 purchases I probably didn't pay more interest than $50. And the reason why is I was smart on how I did it. I put, maybe instead of going out to eat or going and wasting my money on clothes, shoes, what I ended up doing was those $100 for that week, I put it over to the credit card, and that helped me to pay it off quickly. And in 4 to 5 weeks, I paid it off. So by the time I had to pay the interest, I only owed $50 to $60, plus the interest 20%. You do the math, between 50 and 60 is between $10 to $15 around there. So I thought it was a pretty good deal for me since I had no money and I needed the computer ASAP. And you want to pay everything on time, which leads me to the third one, is the usage of the credit card. So be smart on purchases. If you don't need them, don't buy them. If you're gonna be using this on a daily basis, I suggest you keep it under 30%. So if you get a secure credit card limit, you want to keep it at 30%. So if they give you a $500 credit card, you want to keep it under $150. So if you're using for gas, food, groceries, try to keep it under $150, because if you go over, they might nick you and be like, okay, he's spending his card too much, and they'll start nicking you on that, on your credit score. But instead of what I did was, I made 2 big purchases, and from that I only used it maybe 1 year, and I haven't made another purchase in so long. So, and that's the thing, you know, you just gotta be smart with it. And this helped me tremendously to get from no credit score to around the 650, 670. And as I kept building up on this, it allowed me to get a better credit card that helped me pay for college. And it's been a tremendous help, you know, having a good credit line, you know. The reason I did that was I just didn't want any student debt. And I'll make another video explaining on that if you guys like, you know. And I believe that this is a very good way for you to build your credit. But one thing I need to stress is pay it on time. Do not miss a payment, whether is you forgot or anything. Make recurring payments, put in a reminder, you know, because this will help you a lot. And if they see one missing payment out of 10, that's like a 90 on your credit report, basically. So okay, he's not as responsible, and that's how they see it. And it works a little bit different. I hope you guys like the video. You know, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'd really appreciate it. It helps with the algorithm. All right, you guys have a good day. Take care.